Display. 4.6-inch, 720p display falls behind Full HD rivals. Viewing angles are good. Sony's new phone features a 4.6-inch screen with a pixel resolution of 720 by 1280. That equals an acceptable 323p, but it's not anything on the 428p of the Xperia Z5 or the huge 806p on the Xperia Z5 Premium. Full HD 1.080p has become the standard now, with some phones even stretching over into the 2K and 4K spectrum, so it's a bit of a shame Sony has been so conservative with the display here. Out of the big manufacturer recent releases, the only flagship device still stuck on a 720p display is the Moto G, which costs about a third of the price of the Xperia Z5 Compact. Xperia Z5 Compact. Calling the Xperia Z5 Compact a premium phone in 2015 without upping the screen to Full HD or more is a big claim. It doesn't look awful though, it's just fine, and fine isn't enough. Not be able to watch the average YouTube video at its intended resolution is a disappointment, especially when you've spent this much money. And while it's not a disaster, it does make me think twice before recommending this phone. Sony's own screen tech makes sure it's bright, but there are times when you can pick out the pixels in a way you can't on the Xperia Z5. Viewing angles on the phone have improved though. I can look at the phone from odd angles and still see the picture a lot clearer than I could on the Xperia Z3 Compact. The screen is the optimum size for the handset. A lot of the available front is being used for the 4.6 inches of screen, and you have to respect Sony for the elegance and efficiency here.